Another service that's in. And the Bahamas unable to respond. The score, Jamaica 18, Bahamas 10. Brennan. Sorry, Alvarez. A good hit by Vanessa Sawyer. Number 3. Score, Bahamas 11, Jamaica 18. And a good hit by number 6. Michael Vernon from Jamaica. Good serve. Ball hit in the middle and blocked off the blocks outside. Point, Jamaica, and they will continue to serve. Good serve by Jamaica. And a good hit right in the corner by Vernon. Match point for Jamaica. If they win this match is over. An ace on the service. 25. The match is over. 25-13. Jamaica 25, Bahamas 13.